Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2016 Toyota 4Runner 4.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. First, we're going to turn the ignition on 2 clicks to the on position. So we need to set this odometer to trip A. So there's a little trip button right here. Just press it until you hit trip A. So now we're going to turn the ignition off. Okay, so with one hand we're going to be pushing down the trip button and hold it. With the other hand, turn it 2 clicks to the on position. Okay, you all set? So that's how you reset the maintenance light. If you got any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.